India has officially notified the National Drone Policy. The Drone Rules 2021 make it significantly easier for people and companies in India to now own and operate drones. Here's all you need to know. Coverage of drones has been increased from 300 kg to 500 kg. This also includes heavy payload carrying drones and drone taxis. No security clearance is required before any registration or license issuance. The requisite fees for permissions have also been reduced to nominal levels. Many approvals like unique authorization number, the unique prototype identification number, the certificate of conformance, the certificate of maintenance, the operator permits, the authorization of the R&D organization, and remote pilot instructor authorization amongst others are no more required. Maximum penalty for violating rules has been reduced to Rs 1 lakh. This rule is not applicable for penalties imposed for violation of other laws. Unmanned Aircraft Systems Promotions Council will be set up to aid a business-friendly regulatory regime. Drone imports will be regulated by Directorate General of Foreign Trade. Drone corridors will be developed for cargo deliveries. Interactive airspace map with green, yellow and red zones will be displayed on the Digital Sky platform. Yellow zone has been reduced from 45 km to 12 km from the airport perimeter. No permission is required for operating a drone in the green zone and up to 200 feet in the area between 8 km to 12 km from the airport perimeter. Online registration of all zones shall occur through the Digital Sky platform. Easy processes have been prescribed for the transfer and deregistration of drones. Regularization of the existing drones will be done. Authorized drone schools will carry out drone training and examination. DGCA shall prescribe training requirements, oversee drone schools, and provide pilot licenses online. Safety features like no permission, no takeoff, real-time tracking beacon, geofencing and so forth to be notified in the future. The new policy gives a minimum 6-month lead time for compliance.